Hi children, in this video session I am going to introduce you few problems that were repeatedly asked in competitive exams like UPSC, TNPSC, bank exams. Okay, in all these exams surely you will have, definitely you will have problem based on ages that you were seeing in the previous video. Okay, here's one such problem for you. Mohan correctly remembers that his father's birthday is before 20th January, but after 16th January. So he has the option of choosing 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Not 20, before 20th. So 16, 17, 18 and 19. Whereas his sister correctly remembers that their father's birthday is after 18. So 18 till where she is thinking 18th January but before 23rd. So they have the option of 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22, not 23. Okay, 21 and 22. On which date is in January is definitely their father's age. Actually 18 should not be, after 18th no, so 18 should not be written here. Similarly here after 16th, in the sense we will not write 16th also. Now on which date in January is definitely their father's birthday? Can you guess among the options that is here? 18th, 19th, 20th? Yes, the answer is 19th. Okay. Now the next question for you is, see in those question we don't have any calculation, just logical understanding. But here we will have some calculations. Okay. A is 2 years. We have A, B and C. 3 people are there. So far we were discussing only about 2. Now we have 3 people. A is 2 years older than B. That B is twice as old as C. Only if I know the age of C, I will be able to know the age of B and A. So repeat the question again. A is 2 years older than B. B who is twice as old as X. So he will be twice as old as C. So I wrote 2x. What about A? A is being compared with B. He is 2 years older. So this is A's age will be 2x plus 2. What is the next sentence? If the total of these ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? Now it is easy now. Total in the sense I have to add all these 3 ages and it is equal to 27. This is the equation and you have to simplify and give me the answer. Come on, start doing. Just by looking at it you can find the answer. 2, 4, 5x plus 2. So this plus 2 get transposed. So it becomes 27 minus 2. It becomes 25. Here I had 5x. So what is the answer? Choose one answer from this. Got the answer? See here. I have all these 3 ages. If I add, I get 27, 25. So x is equal to 5. With that, we cannot stop it because they asked for B's age. Second one, B's age is 2x, isn't it? So if I multiply in the place of x as 5, I will have 2 5s are 10 years. Okay, now next question is the ratio between the school ages of Pratosh and Satish is 5:6. If the ratio between the 1/3 age of Pratosh and half of Satish age of 5:9, then what is the school age of Satish? I will repeat. Listen carefully and try to frame equations. Okay, before that I will give you the options so that it will be easy for you to find the answer. The ratio between school ages of Pratosh and Prati. There are 2 students, Pratosh and Satish. So their ages are 5x and 6x. No doubt in that, isn't it? If the ratio between the 1/3 of Pratosh. 1/3 of Pratosh. This is Pratosh and this is Satish. First one is Pratosh. So 1/3. 1/3 of Pratosh is 5x. And half of Satish age. What is Satish age? 6x. Isn't it? Up to this you will not have doubt. Then you will have doubt. Now they are saying the ratio between these two. What is the ratio between these two? Ratio in the sense I can have it as division also. This ratio is equal to the ratio 5/9. 5:9 in the sense 5/9. We can have it in that sense also. That is out of 9, take a, he is 5. Okay. Now, can I solve this equation? Can I solve it? No children, x will get cancelled. We will not have variable at all. How will we solve this equation? So, I can say this question is not giving us enough data, enough information to find the required solution. So, I can say cannot be determined. See, in competitive exam, it is not always compulsory that the given equation should have a solution. They may give a question which has no solution, which cannot be found with the available data. So, you should be smart enough to choose the right answer. Okay. See here, this is what we wrote. Divided by 5/9. And this is not a, see, they cancelled 2. See, 6 cancel. Isn't it? Then they have 5 6 are 30. 30/6. You will get 30/6 here. And you will get anyhow 15. And here also 15 cross multiply. This age cannot be done. X gets cancelled, so we cannot determine it. Okay. Now the next question for you is, a father said to his son. These are very nice questions. This may look something tricky, but if you start enjoying and solving puzzles now, you will not feel bored and you will get an interest towards maths. So try to solve it. It may be wrong. It may be right. Don't worry about that. Just read and enjoy. Okay. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are present at the time of your birth. I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. When he is born, no, at that time, his father's age is his son's age. He is just comparing. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was. They have given the father's age now. Okay. Shall we discuss? Here, the son's present age bx. Then, present age, his father is given now. So, 38 minus x. This is equal to x. From this, we can find the present age of the son. It's a very simple calculation. But see how they have twisted the question. I was as old as you are at present, at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was, 5 years before was. I am not worried about 5 years. Only if I know the present age, I will be able to calculate it. So, my target is to find the present age. Or as old as you are at present. So, this present age, I have chosen it as x. Okay. Father's present age is also they have given 38. Okay. So, when the child is born, they have given 38 minus x is equal to x. So, just to transpose it and find the answer. Son's age 5 years before is 19 minus 5, 14 years. Okay, children, the calculation will be very simple. Only thing is you have to understand the question to get this equation. Shall we move to the next question? Okay, here it is. A person was asked to state his age in years. His reply was, take my age 3 years. I have to subtract 3 years. Take my age 3 years. Hence, multiply it by 3. Then I have to multiply it by 3. And then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. 3 times the age 3 years ago. 3 years ago means it will be x minus 3. Okay. How will you 3 years ago, and you will know how old I am. What was the age of the person? I repeat, my age 3 years. Take my age 3 years. Hence, 3 years afterwards. That's what the meaning here hence. Multiply it by 3. And then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. Subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. Is it clear? So, our equation will be 3 times x plus 3 subtracted 3 times 3 years ago. Is it clear? Here, my age 3 years ago. Hence means afterwards. That's what I said. 3 years. Hence means x plus 3. And multiply it by 3. So, I have 3 here. For the first sentence, up to this is the meaning. 3 into x plus 3. Then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. So, 3 times his age 3 years ago is x minus 3. So, 3 into x plus 3 minus 3x minus 3. Sorry. Yes, here it is. So, you have to simplify the equation. Multiply the common factor along with the other factors, and you will have 3x plus 9 minus 3x minus 9 is equal to x. Is it clear? Now 3x minus 3x is get cancelled. You will have 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, x is equal to 18. These calculations are very simple. Only thing is you will have difficulty in framing this equation. Okay, you will not get such types of questions in your exam at present grade. But get ready to face all these challenges in your future. Okay. Now the next question. This is over. This is how you will get tempted to see on next question when the questions are tricky enough. Okay. Today you have to complete exercise 6.4 completely along with examples. Okay. Examples should be taken down in your classwork note along with the problems that I have discussed in the slides. All the problems that I have not discussed in slides should be done in your homework note. Hope it is clear, my dear children. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.